guys, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. That sucked. Let me try. Hey guys, what's up? Alana here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Blondie Boutique beach haul. All of the clothes that I have here are from Blondie Boutique, which is one of my absolute favorite brands. They carry so much stuff and everything just kind of fits into my style, which I would say my style is kind of a little bit of a sexier casual kind of look. As a kid, I always wore turtlenecks because, you know, in school they don't really like when you have cleavage, and I have a little bit of cleavage. So yeah, got made fun of, got talked to by the school, blah, 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 whole 9 yards. Anyways, regardless, wore like big baggy sweaters, big turtlenecks. So I think I kind of counterbalanced that now with the fact that I like to wear more revealing clothing now. Yeah, anyways, let's get to it. We are gonna start today with just a couple of crop tops. I'm getting ready for my trip to Mexico, so I thought I'd start looking into packing, and in doing so I was like, oh, I'm gonna use all of these little beachy outfits. So here's what we've got for you today. To start, I've got this super cute little crop top. I'm obsessed with crop tops that aren't really too short, not like bra-like, but have a little bit to them, and then when you wear a pair of high-waisted shorts, they still show just enough and they're sexy, but they're not like, hi, hello, look at everything I have. So in that case, this is something that's like definitely a good fit for me. It also works even though I'm bustier, which a lot of things don't. So I am absolutely in love with this, and I'm obsessed with this like snake print or any animal print really. So that's the first one, is just a little crop top. When I'm in Mexico or any real tropical location, I do find that I tend to wear mostly crop tops anyways because it's sunny and, you know, I want to get a little bit of sun all on me. So that's a good pick for me for Mexico, absolutely. Second one I'm going to show you is kind of a similar style to the first, but a little more covered up. This outfit is really good for me just because of the whole bustier thing, and it fits still if I'm not wearing a bra. It still works, it still looks great, and it still like makes everything look good. So I'm a huge fan of that. It's a little bit longer, so it's kind of a bit less crop, but that's good because it goes with more outfits. I could wear it with some lower waisted jeans, not like necessarily high, this is up to my belly button kind of jeans. So that's a bonus with that as well. The snakeskin print is definitely really in right now, and like I said, I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So I found something else with it and was like, yeah, absolutely, I have to try this on. Tried it on, looked great, here we are. Now I have it. So that's the thing. Obviously with tops, you have to be prepared to have some cute little bottoms. I've paired this with just like a basic little black crop top, but here's like a little nude skirt. It's kind of a looser fit, but it's still tight enough to make it look sexy and like good. It's got a little tie on it, which is super cute and makes it look a little bit fancier maybe than some things would. But I paired this with just like a plain black top just because it's a statement piece of its own, so you kind of want to have something a little bit different on top. And yes, these are kind of more bra-like tops that I like to wear as just basic filler pieces with outfits like this. And I can't say that skirts are one of my main picks on a trip like Mexico, but I do still love to wear them. That is still an option, and sometimes I like to go out. So that's always a nice little fitter piece for that. Next up, I have another little top. Now this one looks kind of confusing, but it's sort of more of like a bra top in general, but it does have these straps on the bottom that you do wrap around your stomach as well. So it's not quite as simple as just like a little bra top, but it gives it a little bit of an extra something that just, you know, shows it off a little more, brings a little bit more attention to your stomach. And I don't know, I love the lacy material because the lace on it kind of just brings that punch of attention, even though it is black, and I love black clothes. I'm obsessed with black clothes. But sometimes you blend in a little bit when you're not wearing something with a punch of color. So that's a great one with that, just because it gives you that, it's kind of a standout piece because of it. As I mentioned, even though I'm in tropical places, I do like to go out, and sometimes a dress isn't always suitable for going out or anything like that. So I do have this here. This is a little bodysuit. It's got the deep V, which makes it nicer for going out because it gives you a little bit of an extra cleavage pump. Now, the fun thing about this is I have it in 4 different colors. I've got it in the white, I have it in the black, I have it in like a royal blue kind of color, and I have it in pink. So I've got a good mix of colors with this. The shape is really nice. It's got the clasps on the bottom, or sorry, yeah, the clasps right there on the bottom, so that you can still take it off and you don't have to like undress every time you go into the bathroom. So it's a good outfit for going out. I stuck with the staples, the black and the white, just because I always like to wear stuff like that, and I am determined to wear white, like on a trip to Greece or something, and a lot of it. Wear a lot of white, like all white. That's it, just like all white. So I wanted to make sure that I had a couple white pieces. Blondie had a really great sale on, so I was getting all of this stuff at 50% off of the sale price, which is insane. Still spent a lot of money, but not complaining in the slightest because I got lots of stuff to work with. Black is always a staple. I can use black for really anything. There's a lot that you can do with a black bodysuit. And then the pink and the blue are good because they are standout colors. So when I do wear them, they do give me a pop of color that other people see, and it draws a little bit of attention. And sometimes you like a little bit of attention. What can I say? I'm female, or just human, one of the two. Either way. I've also got one little accessory with this little set of colors I've got going here. I like this. It's a belt that kind of gives an extra little punch, just because it's all glitz and glammy. So I would definitely wear that. If I were wearing a black bodysuit with like shorts or something to that extent, I would absolutely have like a sparkly belt to go with it, or something, some little piece that kind of like packs that punch I was talking about, if your outfit does. I'm not big on jewelry. I don't like things around my neck. I don't like things in my ears. I've got my little earrings, my little studs, and I don't really stray away from that. So for me to have an extra piece to add into an outfit, it has to be something that I can like add to the outfit itself, which is great when you're looking at clothes. Last, but certainly not least, in your opinions, most of you, I'm sure it will actually be closer to absolutely not least, more like most. This here is a lace kimono. Kimonos are really in right now, and I'm absolutely obsessed with them. And hey, you can even see me through it. Ha ha ha. But this one I just got on the sale, and it is amazing. It is so long. It's got a little bit on the end, the edge of like a frill to it. And this is something that I would love to wear just for a photo shoot, like in the morning, you know, like on your balcony, just chilling, like shoulder down, look back, and oh look, I'm in a kimono. Look how royal I feel and stuff. It comes with a little belt, so it can be belted up or left open. Either way works. I've also used a kimono like this over top of other simple pieces. So something like a plain crop top and shorts, or a swimsuit top and shorts, or even just a plain bodysuit with shorts or jeans or whatever you feel like putting it with. Kimonos go great with that kind of stuff because they add that extra little something to your outfit, so it's not quite so plain and boring, which I'm kind of plain and boring, and I do like wearing outfits like that, so this is a good thing for me. But this is probably one of my favorite pieces that I've ever gotten from Blondie, just because of how simple it is, how light it is, and how much of a difference it can make to your outfit and appearance. And I feel very feminine in it, and I'm not necessarily a very feminine person. I was always a tomboy growing up, so I'm still learning style and how it works and what it is and all that jazz. So, kimonos. Feminine. Bonus. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed me showing you all of these different pieces. Like I said, Blondie Boutique is probably one of my favorite clothing stores ever, and I will likely have a whole bunch of hauls from Blondie because I do spend enough money there, and I do actually have like a solid collection of the stuff already. I'm not sure if you can see it in my little mirror, but there's some right on that little rack right there. That's in the mirror. It's on the other side of my room. But yeah, there will be a lot of Blondie coming at you. I want to do a holiday haul. I want to do a fall haul. I want to do, that rhymes, fall haul. I want to do like a romper haul and just a bunch of the little favorite pieces that I've gotten from there. The long dresses, the maxi dresses for when you're on vacation. I've gotten some cute ones, and they will be going to me when if I ever get to Greece. Because Greece is like high on my list. Like one of the next ones for sure. But there's some cute little sets that I could do. I've got so much stuff. All of the pants there are so cute. I just got a whole bunch of new pants because, you know, I'm like, oh hey, I should probably try and look professional and like have like some kind of style. And then I'm like, oh wait, Alana, you don't really do anything. You don't really need style for things that you do. What are you talking about? So now I'm just gonna make a video of them because they were on sale. And she literally just did like a summer blowout, which had honestly like everything was like 20 bucks, 25, 30, 35, stuff in there. I even got a couple pieces for $9, which is insane. It's very reasonable if you look on the sale rack. But her regular stuff is beautiful. If you ever have a wedding to go to, then that would be a great idea for you. And that's what we got going. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that jazz. My last haul that I did was Calvin Klein, so check it out if you like some Calvin Klein. I like Calvin Klein a little bit too much. And yeah, I hope to see you guys next time. Next up, I think I'll be doing a maxi dress haul just because I'm getting all prepped for my trip to Mexico. And maxi dresses are also a must on vacation. Also, for travel tips, make sure you check out my How to Travel Cheaper video that has been launched as well. I do travel a lot, so beach outfits are important to me. And that way, you've got some idea of how you could travel too. Just as a thought, because some people like to travel and I'm one of them. And you may not be one of them, and if that's the case, then just ignore what I just said and that's totally fine too. If you have any ideas of the next haul that I should do, please feel free to write them below in the comments so I know what you like and what you want to see, and that way I've got some idea of what to work with. So make sure you do that and let me know.